Okay. There we go.
Run, Cowboy.
I know, that's what I'm worried about.
It's off its stand.
Yeah, I see that, and it's still spinning. I have such good taste.
I'm half surprised it didn't go into orbit.
That was good, even if the base did come off.
That was wild. That was pretty though. I mean, that was nice.
And just think, we still got another big one.
Oh, we got the
Okay, can somebody keep the time? I'm only allowed to stay here for like 30 minutes.
Oh, we got more than the time to do them all.
Yeah.
Doing this one next. This one's called... Oh, this is the backyard fountain.
Crystal, you're waving it in. Quit.
Look, you parted it. Look, you see?
I see.
I tried so hard today. And I saw it right when it died. I mean, I knew God took it home with gloves.
Yes, please,
Just
and
stare
thank
at
you.
it. Just go really close and stare at it for me.
Oh, I wish this had a little wide lens, so we just saw you do that. Quit! You missed it earlier, Crystal. Remember the one he made by himself with the medicine bottle? It was a good one.
We have it on video, I think. Because she kind of jumped.
We have parts of it. I'm not sure how much it got on that one, because I kind of ran.
I can't see it. Bless it. I don't know what's aerosol, what's firecracker.
Okay, you got a flashlight at your